Welcome. This video title Transforming Your Back Patio with budget friendly idea of ultimate bliss. Introducing your backyard is more than just an outdoor space. It's an extension of your home when you can relax, entertain, and connect with nature. However, create an innate and stylish patio do not have to break the bank. We will explore a myriad of budget-friendly back patio idea that will transforming your outdoor space into a hub of comfort and style. Budget friendly lighting. The right lighting can install elevate the ambience of your patio. Other of budget friendly stick lights are solved powering lantern to create a warm and invite atmosphere. Drape firelight around your patio, run or in theme overhead for a magic touch. Solved power part away lights not only enhance soft but also contribute to the overall aesthetic of the space, all without increase your electricity bills. Outdoor rug magic. Define your patio space and add a touch of comfort with an outdoor rug and available in various shape, size and design. Mark if easy to find one that sub your patio. Other of Artbine weather register run that can withstand the element run not only turn the outdoor space together but also provide a cozy area from back food relaxation. Furniture revamp. One of the most cost effective way to solve up your backspace is by give your expert furniture, a mark over sand down, old woods, chair and table, and apply a refresh cast to print or sit for a instead facelift. Consider add colorful outdoor cast away below and break new life into your sit arrangement. This appear not only save money but also allow you to alone your create. Upcycle pilot furniture. Pilot are, are available and installed solve from create unique patio furniture with a later create and maximum capacity. You can transforming below palette into styles of coffee table and easy practice upcycle project not only help the material but also add a run charm of your outdoor space, transforming your back patio on a budget not only architect but also a rivaled with a bat to create and a white glass and row up your solved. You can create an your outdoor space into a stylish and invited reset without break by bank. So e-bank on the January of budget friendly patio redesign and recover the enjoy of outdoor living comfortable your find place of meets.